Yes, she has confessed that she is a part of the conspiracy, but the question about as to who is the mastermind, that needs to be established, because she is blaming Raj, whereas Raj is blaming or putting the blame on Sonam. Yes, we will take them to Sohra after we have completed our interrogation, because during the interrogation we need to establish the facts and uh, the inconsistencies in the statements of different accused persons, that will have to be ironed out. And once there is clarity in the statements of all the accused persons, then we will be taking them to different places for recreation of the crime scene. That is under investigation, and this is what we are asking the accused persons at this stage. So at this stage, I will not be able to confirm that. Now that is what we are establishing that fact through interrogation, and we will be also, based on their statements, we will be verifying whatever she says, and then only we will be able to say how much or what kind of transaction have taken place. As of now, the accused persons have denied, but that cannot be ruled out, and it is a matter of further investigation.